And I see all the bad things going on in the world. I'm not going to discuss them because they get too controversial. I can also tell you, if you want to get ahead in a career, let's leave sex, religion, and politics at home. And don't be posting all kinds of radical garbage online. You kind of have to make a decision, career versus activism. Now, I do a lot of autism advocacy, but I present it from the standpoint that we need these skills. Now, right now, there's some wonderful stuff going on in employment right now in the U.S. with a place called TACT in Denver, Danny Combs. And he is teaching autistic adults different trades, like auto mechanics, welding. I saw some nice flowers that some autistic person made, just taking stuff out of the parts department and make it into flowers. I like that kind of creativity because that's what I want in a plant maintenance person. Yes, I don't really care about certified pipeline welds. Yep, for pipeline, but I want somebody who's capable of more than that they can actually invent. And the way they work it is they let young adults try out welding, cybersecurity, carpentry, electrician, auto mechanics. And then there's a 2-semester class where they have both a job coach and the mechanic teacher. And they also teach them life skills like being on time. And then they have contracts with car dealerships to place mechanics. That gets around all the interview garbage. And so then they place a mechanic with a car dealership and this job coach there for another 2 months. And it's about a 70% success rate.